getting ready to do that tire change. And that's it for my first ever tire change. So it's that time of the year again, and we're going to be doing our seasonal tire swap. So we have our summer tires right there, all season, all terrain tires, the Nokian Outpost from Cal Tire, and we're gonna get the winter tires taken off. We just got our new rooftop tent put on, so we're getting ready for summer, and it's camping time. So let's get started. Get your safety gear on, gloves on, and let's get started. I've got the air compressor going. It's loud, sorry about that. We're going to use the air tools and get this done as quickly as possible and as safely as possible. Make sure you put wheel shocks behind, just to be safe so your car doesn't roll back when you're doing stuff. Go through all of these and put that one tight. That will lock the nut. Now that we have loosened all the bolts, we can go ahead and loosen the lock nut, the last one, and then move that tire off. Now that we have all 4 tires done, we're gonna torque. Torque spec 86. And that's it for my first ever tire change.